Hey crypto friends, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, this video is going to be extremely short, but I'm going to teach you guys what it actually means to take profits, okay? And why you should always take profits whenever you can, because there's quite a few people out there who hang on to their profits thinking they'll make more, and they honestly end up losing all their profits instead, okay? So guys, like I said, this video is going to be very short, all right? So keep that in mind. And also you guys, pay attention to the bottom right hand corner where I'm at in the camera, because that's pretty much all where you're going to be today, because I don't really have much to show you. This is more of me explaining things to you instead. So guys, overall here, taking profits is literally just the act of selling crypto or another asset in an effort to lock in gains after a period of appreciation. And guys, unlike hodling, it often involves regular trading and market participation, okay? Now guys, hodling on the other hand is short for holding on for dear life, okay? And is best described as a hands-off form of investing. And while hodling has helped create plenty of wealth for those, with the insight to buy low and get in on the ground floor of Bitcoin, Google, Amazon, or other investment assets, it definitely takes several years to see a significant return on your investment if you're hodling. Okay. In other words, it takes patience, like a lot of patience, you guys. And when I'm saying a lot of patience, it takes a lot of patience to be a long-term hodler. Okay. I have personally done it for about 4 years, and it definitely sucks. You can make a lot, especially if you are investing into small cap altcoins and holding on for the long term. But overall here, you guys, realistically, you're going to make the most from trading. If you can, if you can master trading, you're going to make the most here. Anyway, you guys, in addition, even more than with stocks and other investments, coins and cryptocurrency go through a number of peaks and valleys before arriving at a particular price. And guys, investors who know how and when to take crypto profits can easily take advantage of these rises and dips and increase their profits or increase their overall portfolio by a substantial amount of coin, while taking profits along the way as well. I'm going to show you an example of that real quick, okay? So for instance, we've got Luna or Terra Classic Lunk, the Lunk coin, Terra Classic coin. This coin, at the time of me filming this video, has been going crazy, you guys. It has been going up like crazy, okay? I don't know why. I don't really care. All I know is that it's going up like crazy and it's been making a lot of profits for people. I've personally got into it, me personally. So realistically, what you do is, if you can get in on the lows and sell on the highs and then get on the lows again, right in here, and then sell on the high again up here, and then get on the low again right here, and then sell here, and then a low again, and then sell again. If you can get on the peaks and valleys and the lows and highs, you can make a lot more money than just buying and holding for the long term, you guys. But it is extremely risky, okay? But this is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about taking your profits, okay? Because there's also a lot of people here who they'll end up buying right here, okay? They'll end up buying right here. They'll sell right here, okay? And then immediately again, they'll think, okay, well, I think the coin's going to keep going up. So they'll buy in right here or something like that. And then they'll freak out. And within 5 minutes, the coin keeps dropping and dropping and dropping down here. And then they'll sell out and end up losing money, okay? Or they'll buy in right up here, and then they realize, okay, well, it's going sideways for a while, and they won't think that it's going to go up again, and then it drops all of a sudden again, and then they end up selling down here because they got scared and ended up selling when they should have just taken their profits up here instead. All right. So realistically here, you guys, this all goes hand in hand with with traditional investing. All right. Anyway, you guys, in addition to earning regular income and growing your crypto portfolio, taking profits in crypto will also help you avoid some common hodl pitfalls, okay? One of which is buying the tops by accident, which many new hodl investors make the mistake of buying at the end of a trend, which typically means they have to suffer through some turbulent price corrections and watch their coin decrease by 25% or more. And guys, this psychological hurdle is very tough to overcome, okay? I'm going to show you an example of that real quick, because I personally did this as well. Hey, every crypto investor makes mistakes, you guys. We're not perfect. We're not magicians. Everybody makes mistakes from time to time, okay? So realistically, you guys, what happened here is, I bought right around here, okay? I bought right around here, and I thought it was going to continue to go up, right? Well, here's the thing, okay? When it started to drop after that, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart right here. So, but when it started to drop, all the way down here, I was like, oh my God, oh shit, I'm about to lose my money. So I ended up selling out right here, okay? And this is what I'm talking about here, you guys. I was worried that it was going to keep dropping further and further. And, hey, I ended up not buying, I ended up buying the top rather than, waiting until it dropped and corrected a little bit and then bought there. So again, that's another mistake. So realistically here though, you guys, most hodlers don't know how to take crypto profits when the time comes, okay? So for instance, if you bought Bitcoin at $40,000 and you waited till $69,000 and you didn't sell, that joke is on you. You should have sold at the all-time high. Everybody was talking about at that time that it was probably the all-time high. There were some people who thought, okay, it's going to continue to go to 100,000. But there were also people who were like, yeah, it's probably going to fall from here. And those people were right in the long term. These are the types of people you want to be listening to, you guys. If you're a hodler and you're holding on for dear life for the long term, you got to know when to sell, okay? Here's the thing. People get rich, people get wealthy off of taking profits, okay? Nobody ever loses money by taking profits, okay? So it's very important to take profits whenever you have them, okay? Even if you're up 10% and you want to be up by 30% instead, take that 10% and run. It's better than zero, okay? It really, really is here, you guys. Anyway, you guys, since, new hodlers have little experience and no solid crypto profit taking strategy to follow, some hodlers often buy and sell the wrong time, which diminishes their overall potential profits. Anyway, you guys, by allowing a proven crypto profit taking strategy and understanding how and when to take crypto profits by utilizing both fundamental and technical analysis, you can definitely master the markets and profit handsomely from the volatility crypto has, become famous for, okay? And guys, and what I want to talk about that real quick, I want to stop right there real quick. Sorry, I'm going through my script here, and I'm stopping from time to time to show you guys examples. But a good example I want to show you guys is what I was just talking about is how you can, if you can learn technical analysis and you can learn how to read these candles and you can learn how to take profits from the volatility of this crypto, you can definitely make some pretty damn good money, you guys, okay? For me, for instance, you guys, I'm personally buying in on these single candles here, okay? So literally, if you buy in at the top of one of these candles and you place a short and ride it all the way down, even just riding it down just a couple hundred points here, you guys, you are literally making over 10%, okay? So you can make some darn good profits from just trading the very small candles here, you guys, all right? And another area that I'd like to touch up on before I wrap this video up is taking profits while you're trading, okay? Like I'm pretty much just talking about right now, as I've personally seen many newbie traders get greedy and, it always ends up biting them in the ass in the end, okay? So what I mean by this is they'll try day trading, for instance, or short-term swing trading, and instead of selling and taking profits, they choose to stay in the trade thinking that they might be able to squeeze out another 1 to 2% of profits, but 9 times out of 10 that does not happen. And what happens is they end up losing their profits when the price of the asset starts moving in the opposite direction. And guys, this happens to so many people. For instance, I guarantee when this coin was up here, I guarantee there were a lot of people that bought up here thinking that, oh geez, it's going to keep rising because it's been rising for a long time. Why would it stop now? So they'll buy up here. These are people who haven't learned technical analysis yet, but they think it's going to keep going, so they buy right here. And then boom, you guys, it just starts dropping and dropping, and it's going to, it just keeps dropping, okay? So realistically here, this is kind of what I'm talking about here, you guys. You have to really know what you're doing. You have to learn how to take profits whenever you have them, you guys, and don't enter into positions that you don't think are going to, unless you are, completely and absolutely confident about you guys. So overall here, you guys, take profits whenever you can, but that's going to pretty much do it for this video, you guys. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But hey, again, you guys, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all in the comment section of my future videos.